Good morning. Hope everyone is well. With this lockdown, I thought I'd just give you a quick video, an update on what's really not going on in the motorcycle garage with the bikes and everything. At the moment, I've just got my chainsaw, which I've got to sort out because it starts, revs up, and then stops. So it's probably carburetor, which I'm halfway through at the moment, taking the carburetor off, and probably block jet or main jet, the sound of it, or something like that. I've got my Ducati on charge at the moment with my inverter, which is working well with the old carb 12-volt battery. So the car 12-volt battery, as you can see, is 11.9 volts, and it's kicking out 227 volts at the moment, which is good. Working well. And then come across to the charger. Of course, they're lithium-ion batteries I've got in both the Aprilia and Ducati, and that's charging nicely. Obviously, you don't leave them on with lithium-ion batteries. You just, like a drip charge, you don't do that. Toggle charge, you don't do that. You actually just charge them up and then leave them and charge them up. So no problem. It doesn't take long to charge them up, actually. So they just obviously drop a little bit from maybe 3-4 weeks, but in the summer it's less. The warmer it is, the batteries like it. The lithium-ion batteries like it. But yeah, and I've got my connection there. It's also got a little indicator which is saying that obviously the battery's in a good state. It's saying it's green, which is fully charged, but it's not fully charged, as we can see. But it's not far off, I don't think. It's got up to 75% there now. So that's good. So what I've been doing, I took off the rear brake caliper and gave that a complete overhaul. Pads were good. Rub those pads down, faces of them, to get rid of any muck ingrained in there. Get new faces for the pads, which always seem to work very well. Brembos, fantastic, really good. Otherwise, just been cleaning, like I'm sure a lot of us bike enthusiasts have been doing. Cleaning various bits and bobs. Aprilia wise, basically not a lot. I adjusted the chain and put EP90 on the chain. Find it better than any dry lube or anything like that. They seem to recommend now that, well, actually I've been using it for decades, but the EP90 gear oil on your chain works a treat, because it gets inside all the roller. And there's the chain. There's the chain all oiled up. And it doesn't actually flick off much. You don't get much flick. You get about the same amount as you do from a normal dry lube. So that's good. As I say, yeah, I adjusted it. Chain, so that's all good. And again, just general cleaning. That's what we're doing, as I say. I did put a little voltmeter on there, which I can just plug a little volt, a positive and negative there, which in fact I've got here somewhere. Yeah, that's a little you can see it, so you can see it as well. Try and get around a bit. There we go. Yeah, there we are. A little. I'll just plug that in. It just gives me an idea of voltage, which I will do now. Bear with me a second. Bear with me one moment. I can't hold it and put it in there. Well, whoops. Won't be a second. Put that there. Sorry about this. Won't be a sec. Get a place for it. There we are. Won't be a sec. Okay, so positive. positive, no, positive, negative. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. There we go. It's the lithium. Oh, we might get some focus. There we go, 13.4 volts. Holding nicely. So yeah, the Aprilia is right up, and that's of course the lithium-ion battery. They are in the 13 range. The 12 volt batteries, which are probably 12.8, something like that, but these hang around the 13 mark, 13 volts, 13.4, 13.3, 13.2 is all good. So it's just a quick indicator of the state of the lithium battery. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the lithium batteries. Of course they don't like going flat or anything like that. Not good for them. So that's about it really. We'll hopefully try and get out on the bikes, just maybe for a little bit of shopping or something, which I think's legal. Stick the panniers on and do some shopping maybe, but otherwise just tinkering and basically, yeah, got the chainsaw to fix hopefully, so I can do a bit of our hedge which needs taken out. So good to catch up, and keep well, and speak to you soon. See you then, bye.